Today, we're going to show you why aftermarket adjustment products are critical in producing a proper wheel alignment. Now, it should be noted, wheel alignment angles change over time for a variety of reasons, and periodically need to be adjusted to maximize vehicle handling and tire wear. Often, during the alignment procedure, a problem occurs, preventing the technician from doing a proper wheel alignment. Well, this is because so many vehicles are manufactured without any means of adjustment for correcting the alignment angles, and the needed adjustment cannot be made. The products covered in this video will demonstrate how they create adjustability so a vehicle can be properly aligned. Let's take a look at some of these products and how they work. Because vehicle suspension systems differ, cam bolts come in a variety of designs, but they all work essentially the same way. Cam bolts are very easy to install. All you do is simply replace one of the factory-installed suspension mounting bolts with the new adjustable cam bolt. And because of the offset design, the new cam bolt creates a camming action, which allows the camber angle to be increased or decreased with a turn of the bolt. Future alignment adjustments can be done by simply readjusting the bolt. On many passenger car and light truck suspension designs, there are no adjustments to correct either front camber or caster angles. Adjustable ball joints were developed to replace the original equipment non-adjustable design to provide adjustability to these vehicles. The offset ball stud design makes it possible to adjust these angles by simply turning the stud and locking it into place. As with most of our other product designs, future alignment adjustments can be made when needed. These offset bushings are designed to replace the existing factory bushings found on many models of Ford light trucks, SUVs, and vans. These bushings come in a variety of fixed offsets, ranging from 1/4 to 3.5 degrees to correct any needed change. There's also a fully adjustable design available, which can be set to any combination of alignment angles needed. Replacing the existing factory bushing with the proper offset is the only way to correct caster and camber on these vehicles. Rear alignment shims come in a variety of styles and sizes and are designed to correct both camber and toe on the rear wheels of many front-wheel drive passenger cars and minivans. These shims mount behind the rear hub and bearing assembly, or spindle in some cases, and are designed to be rotated to achieve the proper combination of camber and toe. Most modern alignment machines come equipped with a program to aid with the selection and positioning of the shim. These adjustable links come in various designs and are needed to provide camber and toe adjustments for a variety of front-wheel drive passenger cars and minivans. The extended adjustment range of these links corrects the alignment problems associated with handling issues and premature tire wear. Again, as with many of our products, these links can be adjusted for future alignment needs.